Hello guys, I hope you are well. Do you know which is the most demanded jobs in the world? Without that profession, without that department, any small or big organization cannot run their business, and that is one and only finance and accounts. The reason is that maybe each company having a different categories requirement like doctors, engineers, drivers, but it is must that each company should have a finance and accounts department to record their revenue, to record their data, to record their financial condition. That is why finance and accounts jobs is the most important and most demanded jobs in the whole world. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.